access all the diagnostic display on the board and the batteries, there's a little hole there which you push something in and it releases a clip and that slides out, but you can do it like this.
Alright, yeah.
So what you've got then is put your finger under there and push the clip down, and that releases that backwards, and then that just comes off like that. That's your clip.
So this is the Stannah 600 straight, isn't it?
So that's the clip that locates in a hole there and locks everything together.
Okay.
And when you're putting your panels back on, they're just laying like that, and you've got to get a nice even, because you can get it so it's like that. It's not. That's not correct. It needs to be
too flat.
Pushed in. That one needs to go back on there like that, and the same nice even seam there, which gives you this nice even gap here, and then that just pops on like that, and then clicks there, clicked in. So that's how you get the panels off. And then your diagnostic codes are here, but you need to be an engineer really for that. So what you've got is a series of LEDs down this side. You've got 1 to 4 there and 1 to 4 there. That's your running mode, so that changes to engineering mode. That H means it's in engineering mode now. That's in user mode. So you need to in engineering mode like that. And then you've got a little black button there. So that's your first code, whatever number LED that is. And to get your second one, you press that and it comes up with a fault, but there isn't a fault on this because it's faultless.
Okay, faultless.
So you would come up with whatever number that is. That's your first number out of your diagnostics code grouping, and then it will come up with another number which is a number within that grouping, and that guides you to what the fault is on the machine. So that's how you access that. So you won't be able to do it in that mode because that's your driver, that's your user mode. It has to be in that mode. Those are your up and down. That's your H button. Yeah, that's in drive mode now.
So that switches it, does it?
Yeah, just press it. Yep.
H.
And that's in user mode. So that's engineering mode, and it gives you access to these LEDs. Look, they go out. So you got.
I see.
You got 1 to 8.
Yeah.
So when you go into, if you've got a fault on it, if you can get the covers off and do it properly, you go into that. It'll show you a number. So number 2 and number 1. So you'll have a diagnostic sheet with all your different codes, and it'll be fault group 2 and 1.
Yeah.
And that will bring it. That brings stuff up as well.
So that 1, 2, 3, 4. Those are different fault codes, are they?
Well, you've got.
Oh, 5, 6, 7, 8.
You've got 8 altogether. So what you've got is a list of 1 to 8, which is a group. Could have up to from 3 to 5 faults in that group.
Right.
And then your second LED is the number in that group. And if it pops up here, it's the same number. Yeah. So it's 2 8, 2 2. So that's fault group 1 and 2.
Okay.
I'd have to look on the sheet what that means. There's loads of them.
So that basically it tells you what's wrong with the lift.
Yeah. 1 and 2. And these are link jump plugs. To that bypasses your chair, so it thinks it's got a chair on it.
Okay.
Yeah, so you can run it now with a remote. If we had one to hand, you could run it with a remote up and down as though it had a chair on it.
Right.